If you are planning to buy a house through a bank loan, chances are may naka-mention na sa'yo about something called MRI or Mortgage Redemption Insurance. Sounds technical? Don't worry. In the next 3 minutes, I'll break it down for you. What is MRI? Magkano ba ito usually? And is there a better way to get one? So simulan natin. MRI is a type of insurance na requirement ng banks when you apply for a home loan. So, in simple terms, it's life insurance that ensures kung sakaling may mangyari sa borrower like death or total disability, fully paid na ang remaining balance ng housing loan. Maganda, di ba? So, the bank is protected and your family keeps the house, hindi na sila mamamroblema sa utang. Fully paid na eh. Right? So, yun yung MRI. Now, here's what most people don't realize. MRI premiums are typically paid annually. And the cost depends on factors like your age, the loan amount, and of course, the insurance provider. For those who have offers ng MRI sa loans nyo, can you share with us in the comments magkano ang MRI na binabayaran nyo at magkano ang loan versus the loan amount that you have today? These premiums are often paid separately from your monthly loan. Iba yung computation niya. And can vary significantly between banks and their partner insurers. The disadvantage is, after paying off your loan, wala na rin lahat ng binayad mo for your MRI. Naging expense mo talaga ito. Let's say you're still alive after the loan term. Here's the good news. You are not required to get your MRI from the bank. Pwede kang kumuha ng separate life insurance policy that fulfills the bank requirements. Mas flexible, mas value for money, at covered ka pa for more. For example, some of my clients get a term life insurance, some get a whole life insurance, or even a VUL policy that covers, one, their housing loan. Number two, it can also include critical illnesses or disability riders. And number three, can even build cash value over time. Bonus, if tapos na ang loan, you can still keep the policy, unlike bank MRIs na wala ng value after. No, kasi pwede kang mag-loan ulit, tapos magagamit mo ulit yung same policy. So before you say yes to the bank's MRI offer, ask this first. Is this the best deal for me and my family? If you want to explore your options or get a customized insurance plan that covers your loan and protects your future, send me a message. Let's find a smarter way to secure your home.